Alright. Taylor's building us a playhouse for Judah. But a cool one. Alright, get to work.
Does it look a little bit more flat now?
Yeah, it looks good.
That was the point of that.
Dig him holes. Get her done.
So that's why
Judah, are you helping Daddy? Alright, Taylor. Are we setting the posts?
yeah.
I'm trying to be proper. Alright, he used this little thing probably and that thing to make that hole. Yeah. And Judah is probably about to mess up that hole. I'm just kidding. Now we're putting some concrete in. What it will look like once the concrete's in.
You can always mute it. I thought that's what we were doing.
That's what I'm doing.
And I was just gonna talk over it.
Yeah, we can do that.
No one wants to hear your sick voice.
You're right. That's right. I'm just saying.
Get on those things.
Judah's helping me. Hammer. Hammer it. Okay, so right now we're putting on the sides.
So, oh, we gotta go down way more then. Just resting on it. Go to the face with it right here. Yeah, lean it forward. Lean it forward. Which way do we need? Don't get too close to it. Hey, we're putting these little cross pieces on. We're about to put these on to make it. It's like shaky, but it's a lot. If you.
What are you doing? Is this your fort? What are you doing? Wow. Are you excited? I guess so.
Here you go, stinker.
I literally fell like 2 feet. I could have fallen way worse over there.
Probably.
This has been a little tight.
Oh yeah, that's like a perfect fit.
It's definitely not what that tool was used for, but it's okay.
I know, I'm getting all the angles.
Go come up there, bumper, go there. It'll take him a second.
It's like he was a goat in that picture you
Bumper.
sent me.
Go. You got your puppy up here now.
What'd you think?
And you can sit and there's doubles in the seat too.
Lord.
Oh, God.
Don't fall backwards though.
Way to test it out, Taylor.
Yeah.
Well, it's got 2 supports.
Okay.
And it's screwed into right here. That's pretty sturdy.
It's pretty sturdy.